The 2015 Toyota Tundra SR5, powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this vehicle is well equipped. This Toyota features fog lights, power windows, and keyless entry. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, air conditioning, and a CD player. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.